CS No Limit, and this is a welcoming note and just a quick introduction of what you will be finding in CS No Limit. Okay, this is mostly of the course we'll be covering. Most of these are just to make you well familiar with the programming paradigm, but what most of it covering is Python. Okay, let me show you some of the stuff we'll be doing. Okay, we will be doing Django. Okay, another thing we'll be doing is we will try to find some there and here tricks about Wi-Fi, cracking, some Java exercises, and many more. And along the way, you will learn to code in machine learning and make your own projects. For example, you will make your own personal assistant. Yeah, let's see and hear this one. This will be okay. Let's hear it.
Systems ready. Good afternoon, Mr. Rama.
Afternoon, Ada.
Hello, it's me RAM version 1.2.
Yes.
I am CS No Limit Assistant. I was written by Python. And it's a pleasure to welcome you to our channel so as you can learn to program with Python. Our updates will consist of weekly uploads of the courses mentioned by Rama. Don't forget to subscribe and get the most of CS No Limit. Bye and I will see you in the channel. What should I do, boss?
Okay, shut down. Okay, I hope that will be a very good welcoming note and I'll see you in the lectures. What is computer science?
Searching. Got it. Wikipedia says, computer science is the study of processes that interact with data and that can be represented as data in the form of programs. It enables the use of algorithms to manipulate, store, and communicate digital information. Next command. Sir.
That will be all. Shut down, Ada.